This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Pubmed and using advanced to speed precision. First, pick 2-3 core concepts: disease, intervention, population, and translate them to keywords and me.sh. Then create a basic query using quotes for exact phrases and Boolean and to combine concepts. Once done, test a short query to see results, make quick tweaks to terms, and note relevant article titles. This immediate loop gets you from idea to initial results set without wasting time on menus. Next, refine results by applying filters like publication date, article type, and species to narrow noise. Use truncation with an asterisk to catch variants, and field tags such as tub or me.sh to focus search locations. Combine synonyms with or, group them in parentheses, and link groups with and to form a precise Boolean structure. Make sure to scan titles and abstracts for pattern mismatches. Then iterate. Add or remove filters and terms until the result list matches your scope. Finally, save the finalized search and set alerts so you receive new papers automatically. Export citations in your Citation Manager format. Use Citation Matcher or clinical queries when you need randomized trials or diagnostic studies. If you get too few results, broaden terms, remove restrictive filters, or add synonyms. If you get too many, add specific me.sh terms, restrict dates, or use article type filters. A key troubleshooting tip: when results look wrong, recheck field tags and parenthesis grouping for Boolean errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.